What if I told you, one of these steam mops cleans so aggressively it's actually illegal overseas? Dramatic pause, and the number 2 pick here. Well, professional cleaners are getting fired for revealing this cheap alternative. Pause, hit like right now, and let's expose these floor cleaning game changers. Number 1. Bissell Steam Mop. Given the approachable price, we were surprised by just how well the Bissell PowerFresh Deluxe Steam Mop performed in nearly every category, making it the obvious pick for best steam mop overall. We found it to be thoughtfully and intuitively designed, in addition to being productive at stain removal. It's the most lightweight option on our list, and easy to carry even when full of water. Instead of extra tools and accessories, everything you need is right there on the mop. There's an on-off button, an indicator light that tells you when the mop is ready, and buttons for both steam settings. Our favorite feature is the built-in drawer for the included scent discs, which are activated by the steam to deliver a fresh, pleasant smell. We love the scent so much we were tempted to use the mop more often than strictly necessary just so that the house smelled that good all the time. The steam mop won big in terms of effectiveness, taking just 3 passes to remove the stickiest substance we tested. Other models required up to 60 passes. A brush on the mop pad and the lift-off base help clean crevices, corners, and grout lines, while the swivel head aids in mobility. Number 2. Bissell PowerFresh Scrubbing and Sanitizing Steam Mop. We were so impressed with this mop that we assumed it cost 50% more than it does. While there were some minor inconveniences during testing, they ended up being negligible relative to overall performance. The mop is intuitive to set up, to fill, lift out the basin, flip it over, and unscrew the closure. You can use a funnel, but the basin is light enough that you can also just hold it up to a faucet. However, there is no fill line. Without an on-off switch, the steam mop starts to heat up as soon as you plug it in. You can pick between 3 power levels, depending on how intense the job is. The mop only took 40 seconds to heat up before it was ready to start cleaning. Tomato paste was most difficult to remove, requiring 19 passes, while the other substances we tested only needed 3 passes. We felt like the mop's heavier weight helped get gunk off the floor. An extra brush on the back of the mop head that you can release with a clip excels at cleaning grout. Though you can't remove the brush on its own, the mop head itself comes off with a release button, so you can rinse both off at the same time. Number 3. Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner. Powerful chemical-free cleaning, generates superheated steam up to 275 degrees Fahrenheit per 135 degrees Celsius to effectively lift dirt, grease, and grime from a variety of surfaces without using harsh chemicals. Versatile piece kit includes specialized tools for cleaning floors, kitchens, bathrooms, vehicles, upholstery, and more, adapting to all your cleaning needs. Eco-friendly cleaning effectively removes dirt, grease, and grime using only the power of steam, no harsh chemicals, safe for your home, pets, and the environment. Compact and portable design, lightweight, easy to maneuver, and sleek, perfect for effortless cleaning in tight spaces, corners, and hard-to-reach areas. Large tank capacity, delivers up to 50 minutes of continuous steam per fill, enabling extended deep cleaning sessions without the hassle of frequent refills. Warranty, enjoy a 2-year limited warranty that guarantees protection against defects in materials and workmanship, ensuring reliable performance and peace of mind. Number 4. Tineco Floor ONE S7. Clean up in one step, clean and steam your hard floors simultaneously to achieve a deep clean while cutting your cleaning time in half. Eliminate tough messes with 284 degrees Fahrenheit hypersteam technology, hot. 284 degrees Fahrenheit 140 degrees Celsius steam melts away grease and stains, while a soft roller gently cleanses floors with fresh water for a thorough clean. 2 steam modes effectively tackle various types of tough stains. Continuous clean brush washing with MHCBS technology, keep your floors spotless with the MHCBS technology. It efficiently recycles dirty water with a reliable internal brush scraper, continually washing and rinsing with fresh water at a constant 450 rotations per minute, RPMs. Cordless, lightweight, self-propelling cleaning. The cordless and lightweight design with self-propulsion gives you complete freedom to clean wherever and whenever you want, without virtually any restrictions or fatigue. Multi-step self-cleaning system. Use fresh water and heated steam to deep clean the brush roller and tubing thoroughly, along with centrifugal drying that effectively removes water to prevent recontamination. The product has 2 cleaning modes, auto mode and steam mode. Steam mode lasts 20 minutes and auto mode lasts up to 40 minutes. For better cleaning results, choose the steam mode. So, which mop are you rushing to buy? Pause. All purchase links are live in the description. Down arrow, but before you go, smash that subscribe button because next Tuesday, we're revealing the dark side of eco-friendly steam mops, and your floors will never be the same.